here is a view of the private Harrison swimming pool and lake, with the tremendous rains over the last few days have done. How the peak of the garage roof will not affect our view. The garage is low enough so that we'll see over it quite well. Looking down into the garage, you can see that it is framed but no plywood is in place. Here it is from the backyard, January 4th, 1984. Here we are. It is February 5th. They've just finished the roof of our house. That's how it looks at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And the retaining wall and how it all fits together. Next bit of action, they say, will be the stairway, tying the upper deck to the ground. We modified it from the original plan. Alright, here's the vision of our house. It's now the 2nd of April, 1984, and you can see the progress that's been made. We have here the brick cap on the railing in the backyard. On the back porch here. We have here the drainage sump, if you will, that storm drains into Russmore's in the far corner of our yard. They've recently installed also the oak woodwork between the entry hall and the living room in this case, and the same thing also between the entry hall and the kitchen area. We have here the new hardwood floor in the living room, family room, right by the fireplace. Recently been installed. The tile person asked today whether we want to cover that metal right along here with tile. I'm standing now on what's left of our dirt pile, scanning her. See here our settling pond going into place. Not clear how that's going to work out. This is what we'll have in our backyard, just as we have it right now. It's now April 14th. And we're watching a beautiful girl enjoying her new living room, family room. Tommy!
Where's Daddy? Wave at Daddy.
Hardwood floors. And beam ceilings. We also have here our new staircase. Wave bye to Daddy.
Mama. 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 Honey, you got here. Mama.
is the master shower. They finished the details this week around the window. I also put in a step for Barbara. This week they also installed and painted our back door. Garage doors have arrived and have been installed. And the view from here almost looks like that of the rendering from the backyard driveway. Also, the dirt pile is almost completely gone. We also this week have a new foundation for a retaining wall. Ties into the other one here. The house. And the landscaping is now underway. Here's the cabinet for our bathroom lavvy. This is the floor in the downstairs heater room. You can see. The retaining wall already been filled in behind. We'll go look and see. Who said it's dog's best friend, man's best friend? Here now, what our new doors look like, with a pretty girl behind them. And her dog. Here it is, Mother's Day, May 13th, 1984. In our house. With the cabinet doors open. This was designed so that a mess can easily be closed in. 2 file cabinets and some storage space underneath. Our safe also got a cabinetry door this week. Let's look at the inside. This is now awaiting the Alan and Marion mantle, the living room fireplace. Here are the new cabinets in the... This is now the kitchen. Room. Here's the kitchen as it looks coming through the entry hall into the kitchen. Here is now the desk in the family room. Same here. Going out to the doghouse.
As most likely, that is the sister of the family. We are entering the kitchen. That's right, we are entering